Alam niyo po, napakahirap magtanong sa isang former president na mahal ng maraming tao, pero kailangan po nating magtanong para sa kapakanan ng mga taong bayan at para mabigyan ng linaw ang mga isyo sa extrajudicial killing. Mr. President, Mr. Chair, kilala po ba ninyo si Mr. Jamie Guban o pamilyar po ba kayo sa pangalan niya at si Mr. Mark Taguba?
It does not ring a bell.
Hindi niyo po kilala si Mr. Jimmy Guban at si Mr. Taguba. Kasi po, according to Mr. Jimmy Guban at Mr. Mark Taguba, sangkot po si Davao Congressman Honorable Pulong Duterte at si Attorney Mans Carpio na inyong manugang at si Mr. Michael Yang na inyong Presidential Economic Advisor sa nahuling 1 billion worth of shabu sa magnetic lifters sa Port of Manila at sa smuggling ng mga metal cylinders na may lamang 6.4 billion na halaga ng shabu. Ngayon po, Mr. Chair, Mr. President, may alam po ba kayo sa insidenteng ito? O nabalitaan niyo po ba ito?
Wala po. But kung totoo yan nangyari, I would strongly suggest that yung anak ko at yung minention mo, that's my son-in-law,
Yes
to
po.
file a case, and I'm urging the prosecutors to do their best to file a case in court. That is the remedy. Unless patayin natin, but that is not anak ko. The best remedy is really to go public, expose them, and file the case in court, just like what you're doing now, so that they will be made answerable for their misdeeds in this planet.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. President. Ito po nga sinatanong ko po kanina ay according to Mr. Jimmy Guban and Mr. Mark Taguba. Next question po.
Yung iyo is according to two persons?
Ayon po kay Mr. Guban at ayon po kay Mr. Pulong Duterte, Mr. Jimmy Guban po,
Nandito ba si Guban?
wala po siya. Mr. Jimmy Guban po is a former Customs Intelligence Officer. At si Mr. Taguba is custom broker involved sa smuggling of shabu. Si Colonel Asierto po ay nasa Zoom. Pwede po mo natin siyang tanungin. Mr. Chair?
I'm sorry, Congressman Tevez, what was the question?
Pwede po ba nating tanungin si Colonel Asierto dahil po siya ay nasa Zoom regarding po rito sa mga tinatanong ko po kanina kay former President?
You can ask questions to Colonel Asierto. You have 10 minutes, Congressman Tevez.
You know, the names of my son, and they must come here and testify in person. Huwag yung Zoom na Zoom. Hindi pwede yung Zoom na Zoom because that is not a standard of justice. Hindi pwede yung ganun. You know, ang pangalan ng anak ko, pati yung son-in-law ko, so I will object. Bakit tayo mag-zoom-zoom dito? Dalhin mo dito yung tao. Give the names of those persons to the committee so that they can subpoena the idiots, the other around, o dalhin mo dito, paupuin mo so that the committee members and the chairman can ask questions. And we can
Mr.
feed
President.
our questions with him so that
Mr. Chair,
Mr. President, with all due respect, when last Monday when we canceled the invitation supposedly for today's committee hearing, and then yesterday we decided that we proceed again, no, with this committee hearing. We have sent out, we were in a press conference, and I mentioned in the press conference that those who want to attend as our resource person for today's committee hearing is welcome. And that is why several of our resource persons are here. Senator Leila de Lima, Father Flavio Villanueva, Senator Antonio Trillanes, and the others, no? And former Congressman Nery Colmenares is also present. It is because perhaps they heard that there was a invitation that we stated during the press conference. Now, ginagawa din po sa amin ang